Have you ever noticed that we don't repeat the same name again and again while speaking English?
Hello, everyone. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. This avoids repetition and makes sentences smoother. I hope this helps. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Let's look at some examples. Rahul is a student. He is intelligent. Here, he, she, and it are pronouns because they replace the nouns Rahul, Riya, and the book. Today we will learn about pronouns. Personal pronouns refer to people. For example, I am happy. Possessive pronouns show ownership, like, this book is mine. 3. Reflexive pronoun is pronoun. Used when the subject and object are the same. Kabik. Demonstrative pronoun points to a specific person or thing. For example, this is my pen. Number 5. Interrogative pronoun, used to ask questions. Who is your teacher? A relative pronoun connects a noun to more information about it. For example, the boy who won the race is my friend. Today we will learn about indefinite pronouns. They refer to non-specific people or things. For example, someone is at the door. Distributive pronoun refers to members of a group one at a time. Example, each of the students passed. Now you know what a pronoun is and its main types. Keep practicing to improve your English. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.